Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by proving ownership. That's the single most important part. Check the Apple ID tied to the iPhone and gather the original proof of purchase, invoice or receipt with serial number. Once done, make sure the iPhone charges and can reach Wi-Fi, or you have a Mac/PC available. You'll need access to any trusted device or phone number for two-factor authentication. This prep saves time and avoids dead ends when asking Apple to remove activation lock. Next, you request Apple's removal service because they control activation lock. Sign in to iCloud or Apple support with the Apple ID from the device. Open Find My iPhone to confirm activation lock and record serial or IMEI. Then contact Apple support, present your proof of purchase, and complete two-factor verification if prompted. Apple will verify ownership and, if approved, remotely remove the lock. This step is necessary because third-party unlocks are unreliable and often. Finally, when Apple confirms removal, erase the iPhone and complete setup with your Apple ID. Restore a backup if you have one. If the phone won't erase, use recovery mode on a computer and reinstall iOS, then try setup again. If Apple denies the request, double-check your proof of purchase for name, date, and serial. If details match but you're still blocked, escalate to a senior specialist or return to the original retailer for additional documentation. That usually resolves lingering verification issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.